Welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome to Junk Journal July, day 23. For today's prompt is tip in. So let's dive in. To be honest, I had to Google today's prompt to find out what exactly was meant with the prompt before I realized, yes, okay, it's something to fold down, something that is glued in and can be interactively used. I decided to use one of the nature-inspired botanical drawings I found in the books from a few days ago and make a nature-inspired page out of it to use as today's prompt, kind of. Today was kind of hard for myself to come up with an idea and to do something, but I'm really happy with how the page turned out. It's quite simple, but I really like the vines that I have drawn on today's spread to tie everything together. And I'm happy with myself for sticking with it and going where the flow would take me, even though I felt kind of stuck at the moment. So I'm happy for that, and I'm also really happy that I do stick with the challenge. To be honest, in the beginning I was a bit skeptical if I could keep up with the daily journaling as well as the daily videos, and I'm really happy that I'm able to do so, and it is quite fun to get to do something creative today or every day, and also to have something visually shown for what I've done in the day. It's kind of satisfying. I don't know if you know the feeling. I really like it if my journal gets chunkier each day and that I have something tangible in hand, what I have done with my time. Let me know in the comments down below if you know the feeling, what I'm talking about. I hope you do, and I hope you also have fun with the Junk Journal July challenge. I'm really happy to hear all your feedback in the comments, and always reading through your lovely comments on each videos. They absolutely make my day. That's so nice to have a collective kind of community where you can get creative together. Is really nice. And because of that, I also just thought about maybe I want to keep up the creative, more relaxed, chilled, just spend some time in my sketchbook kind of, or my art journal, junk journal, something kind of creative journal, these kinds of videos. Let me know in the comments as well if you would be interested in me keeping up those kind of videos. I don't know if I can stick to daily. That would be kind of hard, I feel like, but maybe I could do a second video each week, so that my Saturday videos stay the way they are. They are bullet journal and creative tutorials and some sketchbook videos and ideas and creative topics, whatever comes to mind, like my channel used to. And maybe I could do one second video each week where I just spend some relaxed time with all of you guys, creating and keeping you company while you work on a creative project or fill your sketchbook as well or something. Let me know if you would be interested in seeing those. I would absolutely love to make that a kind of weekly habit, to spend some creative time together. That sounds kind of fun. So I thought that could be a version where I maybe can keep up with the more relaxed, kind of not so heavy edited videos in the future. Let me know if you would be interested in seeing those, even though they are not a prompt specific thing. Maybe we could do a prompt list for some videos if we want to. I could let you know in the community tab or in a video from the week before or something what would be the prompt for the next week. That's something I'm thinking about at the moment, so definitely let me know if you would be interested in seeing those more relaxed, free, creative videos from me. If you want to spend some creative time in this way with me, I would absolutely love to hear your feedback on the idea and what do you think about it. I could absolutely keep going. It's so much fun, and I'm really loving the chilled creative vibes. On one hand, editing those videos is so simple and laid back. It's quite fun to just whip something up in the moment, and also it's amazing to keep myself accountable to do something physically creative in my journals and my sketchbook. So it would be a win-win, I guess. Can't wait to hear your ideas and opinion about that. I'm really loving how this spread turned out, even though my little tip-in for today's prompt really didn't want to stick in the beginning, so I had to add some washi tape to make it stick in the junk journal. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and spending some creative time with me. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on my creative journey, hit the subscribe button down below. Until then, see you tomorrow, and happy creating!